To share with you 3 pillars of success that people over the age of 40 need to be successful with their health, fitness, weight loss. This is also going to be the welcome video that I'm going to use on my YouTube channel so people can understand a little bit about my sort of perspective on health and fitness, and you can take these principles away with you and be successful in your own. So I just want to tell you who I am. I'm Gavin. I'm a personal trainer. I co-own New Zealand's only fitness studio, Growing Younger. And we solely help people over the age of 40, and the average age of client that we have is about 55, 60. So a lot of my videos are around that age group. I'm 46 myself. I've lost over 20 kilos and I've kept that off for 16 years. And I used to be a yo-yo diet. I was a fat child, fat teenager, fat adult, unfit, unhealthy. And when I moved to New Zealand when I was 30, I decided enough was enough. I needed to make a change and get myself fit and healthy. And every single year, I'm so proud of the fact that I've kept my weight off, I've got stronger, and to the point where there's one point I probably couldn't even run 5Ks. I'm now 46 today, and I'm able to run half marathons. I'm training for triathlons. I've also had 8 knee surgeries in the last 16 years as well. And because I'm stronger now, I've rehabbed properly, I'm able to be strong and be able to live my life in the best possible way. And I want the same thing for you as well. Now, my 3 pillars of success for health and fitness are going to be simple. Number 1, you need a fitness program that you can follow. Something that is adapted to your needs. So a lot of my videos on this channel are going to be how to adapt certain exercises for bad knees and shoulders and ankles and wrists and things that I see every single day that are massive barriers for people who can't be fit and healthy. Also as well, there's going to be some knowledge around, how to use certain gym equipment, maybe how to use dumbbells and things like that, because when a lot of our members walk into a gym, they struggle with knowing what to do. And then personal training and things like that are very expensive. People can't afford it. It becomes a huge barrier. So first of all, I'm going to talk to you about, fitness and strength and how to do that, cardio, all that sort of stuff. The next thing, you need some kind of nutritional solution. And like I said, I've lost 20 kilos. I've helped as well at this point 1,000 individuals over the age of 40 lose an average of 20 kilos. Okay, that is significant. And the way I do that is I try to make your current diet better at the beginning, because you already have a diet. There's no point in trying to do something brand spanking new. So there's a principle out there like more, better, new. But what I want you to do is your current diet better. And if you can do your diet better, and if you can create your diet to be as familiar as possible, then you are literally going to be more successful. So if you like some chocolate or some wines, then you should probably have some chocolate and wines in your diet as a start, because that's the only way you're going to stick to it. Because if you do something completely new, let's just say you do keto but you love carbs, okay, then obviously you're not going to be able to stick to it for a long period of time because you love carbs. So that'd be the nutrition thing. It needs to be basic. So I'm going to talk about nutrition the way I see it, talk about calories and portion sizes and all that stuff, how to track. And the third thing is going to be accountability. So you also need some level of accountability as well, whether it be accountability from a partner or a trainer, or maybe you come to this channel for inspiration, for accountability. There's lots of ways we can be accountable to your training goals. And a lot of it comes down to mindset, comes down to habits, and it comes down to having very simple and achievable goals for you to stick to. And once we get through that, because you're going to see lots of those tips and stuff from me, and I hope you stick around and learn from me, because like I've got a lot of knowledge to give, a lot of personal experience in all aspects of health and fitness. Like I say, I've been a trainer for over 10 years, helped 1,000 people. And when you see 1,000 people over 10 years, that's about 10,000 hours of one-to-one coaching time, which is a lot of time. It's a lot of time listening to people over 40 with injuries and illnesses and understanding what the issues are. So if any of this, what I'm talking about, resonates with you, then I'd love you to watch a couple of my videos. Maybe I'll link one up in the corner for you as well. But ultimately, dig in, have a look around, let me know what you think. Leave some comments down below, asking me questions. The more questions I got, the more I can answer, the more videos I can make, and the more I can help, okay? So that is it from me, team. Have a fantastic day, and I will see you on the next video.